Woodworking has evolved far beyond traditional saws and chisels. Today's tools are smarter, faster, and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, the right gear can transform your projects. From laser-guided saws to digital measuring tools, these innovations bring efficiency and creativity to your workshop. Here are 15 of the coolest modern woodworking tools on Amazon that every maker should have. Dekopro Jigsaw Tool. The Dekopro Jigsaw Tools DKJS80X P100 and DKJS55X P65 deliver professional grade performance and outstanding durability, making them perfect for both personal projects and profitable business ventures. Designed to meet diverse cutting needs, these jigsaws feature 6 adjustable speed modes for precise control, an adjustable bevel angle, 0 degrees to 45 degrees for versatile angled cuts, and 4 orbital control settings for optimized cutting across various materials. The lock-on button ensures continuous, fatigue-free operation for maximum productivity. Combining precision, power, and comfort, these Dekopro jigsaws are a reliable choice for craftsmen and an excellent opportunity for importers seeking high-quality, in-demand tools. Profiler Plus Multifunction Scribing Tool. Welcome to Profiler Plus, the ultimate multifunction scribing tool designed for precision and versatility in every carpentry project. In this video, watch how Profiler Plus effortlessly tackles uneven walls with its smooth, easy glide wheels and precision tip that flawlessly follows complex skirting profiles. With an adjustable scribe width and built-in pencil holder, it ensures consistent, accurate markings every time. Whether you're a carpenter, joiner, or DIY enthusiast, Profiler Plus elevates your craftsmanship. More than just a tool, it connects you to a thriving community of skilled tradespeople who value accuracy, efficiency, and innovation in their work. Experience precision redefined with Profiler Plus. Franklin Sensors Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensors M10 Stud Finder makes wall scanning simple and precise. Equipped with 3 advanced sensors and multi-sense technology, it detects studs with greater accuracy and consistency than standard stud finders. The M10 instantly identifies the center and edges of studs, helping ensure safe and confident mounting. Operations effortless. Just press and hold the button to begin scanning. Its compact design, bright display indicators, and intuitive controls make it a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're hanging shelves, mounting a TV, or remodeling, the M10 delivers fast, accurate stud detection every time. Auco Door Clamp. The Auco Door Clamp, priced at $149.99, is a premium door installation tool built for precision and durability. With a high holding capacity of up to 2.56 inches, 65 millimeters, it securely fits various door sizes. Crafted from solid steel, it offers long-lasting strength and performance. Adjustable feet enhance stability for flawless, scratch-free finishes, while felt-covered jaws protect surfaces. The tread plate design ensures effortless use, and the included 1.5-inch, 38mm door lifter adds extra versatility. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Auco Door Clamp delivers unmatched stability, protection, and ease during door fitting and alignment tasks. Wolfcraft 3,030,000 one-hand clamp. The Wolfcraft 303,000,000 one-hand clamp offers quick, safe, and convenient clamping with a single hand. Built for professionals, it delivers up to 120 kilograms of clamping pressure and easily converts to a spreading function with the push of a button. Its ergonomic, skid-resistant grip ensures comfort and control, while large clamping areas provide even pressure and protect workpieces. The durable rail guarantees lasting performance, and the cross groove secures round objects safely. With adjustable spacers for added protection and support, this versatile tool combines precision, strength, and user-friendly design, making it an essential companion for woodworking and DIY enthusiasts alike. Bevel and Mitre Box. The Bevel and Mitre Box combines two essential functions in one smart tool: a bevel gauge and a mitre box. Designed for sawing precise mitres and measuring angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, it ensures automatic and error-free angle transfer to your saw with integrated guide pins. Ideal for accurate room angle measurements, it's especially useful in old buildings with irregular corners. The infinite angle adjustment makes it versatile for any project, while the clever design eliminates guesswork and frustration. With this 2-in-1 tool, achieving perfect cuts and flawless mitres has never been easier or more efficient for woodworkers. OX Chisel Set. The OX Pro 5-piece wood chisel set is a must-have for woodworkers seeking precision and durability. This premium set includes 5 chisels in sizes 6mm, 10mm, 15mm, 19mm, and 25mm. Perfect for detailed carving, shaping, and finishing work. Each chisel features a hardened and tempered steel blade for lasting sharpness and accuracy. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during long projects. Packaged in a sturdy Velcro case, the set stays organised and protected from damage, making it ideal for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Reliable, sharp, and built to last. OX delivers quality craftsmanship. LEXIVON Aluminum Mitre Saw. The LEXIVON Aluminum Mitre Saw. Protractor LX230 is a must-have precision tool for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from CNC machined anodized aluminum, it offers rust-proof durability and laser-engraved scales for easy reading. Its smooth Teflon O-ring mechanism ensures effortless angle adjustments, perfect for crown molding, trim, and plumbing projects. With dual scales that eliminate guesswork, this 7-inch protractor guarantees accurate mitre and single cuts every time. Built to last with a 1/4-inch thick aluminum body, it delivers professional results with ease. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty, making it a reliable, long-term addition to your toolkit. Self-centering Doweling Jig Kit. The going make. Self-centering Doweling Jig Kit, $89.99, ensures precise and fast drilling with its center line pointer, creating perfect joints every time. Drill 3 accurate dowel holes at once with your hand drill. Includes 9 hardened steel bushings, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and matching drill bits for long-term use. Its quick clamp system, repeat position stop, and extension rod make setup easy and efficient. Ideal for DIY woodworkers, furniture makers, and professionals, this dowel jig delivers strong, clean joints for multiple applications, including butt, mitre, edge, and T-joints, making it one of the most versatile joinery tools available. Kreg Straight Edge Guide. The Kreg Straight Edge Guide makes cutting sheet goods fast, precise, and hassle-free. Designed to handle materials up to 121 centimeters, it works seamlessly with circular saws, jigsaws, or trim routers. Its guided cutting system ensures perfectly straight, accurate cuts every time. With built-in cut line indicators, you can align your cuts effortlessly. The integrated low-profile grip max clamps securely hold the guide in place without getting in the way. Whether you're trimming plywood or making cabinet panels, the Kreg Straight Edge Guide delivers clean, professional results with ease and confidence, turning complex cutting tasks into simple, accurate operations every time. Milescraft Lockmate. The Milescraft Lockmate Plus is designed to make door lock and knob installations faster, easier, and more precise. Its self-clamping design sets up in seconds, no screws or hardware required, making it ideal for both professionals and DIYers. The wide non-marring rubber clamp prevents slipping and protects door surfaces from damage. Perfect for large-scale or quick-turn projects, the Lockmate Plus ensures consistent accuracy, a flawless finish, and maximum efficiency every time. Arrowmax Mini Drill Pen. The Arrowmax SDS Mini Plus. Drill pen is a compact, rechargeable, and precision-focused electric tool designed for versatility and portability. With a sleek aluminum body, it runs on a 500 mAh LiPo battery and reaches speeds up to 800 RPM. The intuitive one-button operation allows easy control for forward, reverse, and power-off functions. It features tool-free bit changes with a keyless chuck, 4 shadowless LED lights for clear visibility, and an LED battery indicator. The set includes 10 HSS bits, 0.6mm to 2.2mm, stored in a magnetic CNC aluminum case. Ideal for model making, jewelry crafting, and DIY precision projects. Ryobi 18 Volt Multi-Tool. The Ryobi 18 Volt Multi-Tool is a powerful and versatile tool designed for cutting, sanding, and detailed finishing across multiple materials: drywall, wood, metal, plastic, and composite. Its 5-position pivoting head allows easy access to hard-to-reach areas, while the 6-speed selector ensures precise control for every task. The toolless blade change feature enables quick accessory swaps compatible with any brand. Ideal for plunge cutting, trimming skirting boards, or detailed sanding. This multi-tool comes complete with a plunge cutting blade, flush cutting blade, sanding pad, 5 sanding sheets, and a universal accessory adapter for maximum versatility and efficiency. Arrow T 50DCD Cordless Staple Gun. The Arrow T50DCD Cordless electric staple gun combines power, precision, and portability for effortless stapling. Powered by a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers up to 500 consistent shots per charge. Its motor-driven mechanism ensures professional-grade performance, while the bottom-load magazine with quick release makes reloading simple. Designed for comfort and control, it features an over-molded grip and contact safety lock. Compatible with T50 staples, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, it's ideal for upholstery, crafts, home repairs, and outdoor projects. A built-in staple and battery indicator keeps you informed during use, making the T50D CD a reliable cordless solution for every DIY or pro project. Kreg Panel Carrier. The Kreg Panel Carrier is a simple yet powerful tool that makes lifting and carrying large plywood sheets effortless. With its easy clamp lift go design, you can securely grip and transport full 4x8 panels using just one hand. No more struggling or straining your back. The non-marring clamp protects materials from damage while offering a solid, comfortable hold. Perfect for solo workers, it's ideal for moving sheets from racks, carrying materials across the workshop, or positioning panels during assembly. Whether at home or on the job site, the Kreg Panel Carrier adds convenience, safety, and efficiency to your woodworking routine.